To add Apple Pay activation to your merchant account, you will need to follow several steps. First, ensure your business is eligible for Apple Pay by checking the list of supported countries and banks on the Apple website. Next, you will need to obtain an Apple developer account, which can be created on the Apple developer website. This account will provide you with the necessary tools and documentation to integrate Apple Pay into your merchant account. Once you have your Apple developer account, you will need to generate a certificate for your merchant identifier. This certificate is used to authenticate your merchant account and secure transactions. After obtaining your certificate, you will need to configure your payment gateway to support Apple Pay. This typically involves updating your payment processing software to include Apple Pay as a payment option. To add Apple Pay activation to your website or mobile app, you will need to integrate the Apple Pay API. This involves adding a few lines of code to your website or app, which will enable customers to add their credit or debit cards to Apple Pay and make payments. When integrating Apple Pay, it is essential to follow best practices for security and compliance. This includes ensuring that your payment processing system is compliant with industry standards, such as PCI DSS, and that you are using secure protocols for transmitting sensitive data. To test Apple Pay activation, you can use the Apple Pay Sandbox environment, which allows you to simulate transactions and test your integration without actually processing payments. Finally, once you have completed the integration and testing process, you can deploy Apple Pay activation to your production environment, enabling your customers to make payments using Apple Pay. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add Apple Pay activation to your merchant account and provide your customers with a secure and convenient payment option.